special event. As you all see, we have here Luxlim in Dubai, Grand Launch and Press Conference. So very special po yung moment na to, no? Actually, 4 years na po ang Lux. And since then, ang Luxlim makikita nyo na rin po talaga anywhere in Dubai. You can see it sa mga Pinoy supermarkets doon. Minsan may mga nagtatag sa akin sa stories or nagme-message, sending photos na nandun siya sa mga shelves ng mga supermarkets sa Dubai. And also we have existing resellers, dealers also in Dubai. But ito lang yung finally nakatagpo kami ng partner na para mas maipalawak natin yung business in Dubai because sabi nga nila ang Dubai parang Pilipinas din. Kasi puro Pinoy ang nasa Dubai. And sa totoo lang, hindi pa po ako nakarating ng Dubai. So ito na yung chance ko para makapunta ng Dubai. This coming December 4 to 7, we will be in Dubai para i-meet na rin po and officially i-welcome ang ating mga Filipino Luxers doon and whoever na gustong maging part ng business, we will be there para mas ma-introduce sa kanila at mas na-explain natin paano ba sila kikita through this kind of business or through these products. And I'm very, very much grateful kasi kaninang umaga, nag-try lang ako. Gusto ko lang makita, gusto ko lang ma-check kung meron bang magre-respond sa akin. Sabi ko sa post ko, marami bang Luxers in Dubai? And surprisingly, ang daming nag-comment, ang daming nag-feedback na yes ma'am, punta ka na dito, Miss A. And then yung iba nag-send ng photos, nagamit-gamit nila yung mga iba't ibang mga Lux products. Which is sobrang nakakataba ng puso. Alam niyo po yun na kahit andun sila sa malayo, is still they are willing to support Filipino products like Lux. And ako naman, syempre bilang brand owner ng business na to, syempre I want to give back also. Gusto ko rin ibigay. Ano ba yung pwede rin nilang makuha with these products aside from the beauty and health benefits na meron to? Why not ma-share din natin sa kanila yung business opportunity that we have? And through that, mas marami tayong pamilya, mas marami tayong pwede pang matulungan. Because sa mga naririnig ko din, talagang maraming mga Filipinos doon na nag-for good na in Dubai. And some of them are struggles, paano nila masustain yung buhay doon. And some of them has really a good life na. So, we're really hoping na mas mapalaki natin ang business ng Lux in Dubai. So magkita-kita po tayo doon and syempre babalitaan ko po kayo because maganda po yung ipinrepair namin. Baka po narinig na nung iba yung mga pinag-uusapan namin kanina regarding our preparations kung paano namin i-welcome ang ating mga kababayan in Dubai. So I think that's it, but I would like to thank our partners, of course, Miss Mary Cruz, Kelvin, Sir Cons, Miss Jessa. Thank you so much for trusting us. Thank you so much dahil sa inyo, mas magiging affordable ang Lux products in Dubai. Kasi the struggle talaga is really mahal yung shipment, nagiging mahal yung product because of the cost pagpapadala pa lang doon. So now, through the help of our partners, through the help of them, meron na tayong warehouse na pwede na silang dumirekta at mas magiging affordable na po siya sa Dubai. And not just in Dubai also, but in nearby cities as well. So that's all, and please enjoy the rest of the night. Thank you.
Just discuss a simple market potential in Dubai. So Dubai has become one of the hottest hubs for Filipino OFWs. So we've been working in Dubai for over a year now, actually almost 2 years, no, with our partners in Dubai, Sir Cons and Miss Jess. So, for about 2 years, we've already studied the Dubai market. And of course, Dubai is not just for jobs, but for real business and entrepreneurial opportunities as well. So, sa ngayon po, tinatayang millions na ang Filipinos sa Dubai and around 1/5 of the city's population. Kaya sobrang laki ng built-in. Nawala. Ayan. Okay. Opportunities. No, sa community, sobrang laki ng community na mahilig sa beauty, of course, wellness, and lifestyle experiences. So all throughout the years that we are there, we saw people na talagang sobrang hilig sa beauty and wellness. They are very conscious in their health, so as in their beauty. As I've said nga to Miss A, parang when we studied the Dubai market, parang nandun pa sila sa 2020 era ng Philippines. Kasi as in, hindi pa super sikat yung mga beauty products doon. No, talagang sobrang hindi pa rin sikat yung distributorship doon. They're mainly focusing on retail markets katulad ng Watsons here sa Philippines, no. So at the same time, mabilis ang growth ng beauty and personal care industry sa UAE. The market is projected to reach around 2.4 billion in USD by 2032. So it's really overwhelming on our part na sabi ko, we will be one of the pioneers to let these people, not only Filipinos but also other foreign nationals na may experience nila kung ano ang magic ng Lux Beauty and Wellness Group. No? Habang patuloy na lumalakas ang demand for skincare, for slimming, and premium self-care products. So kasabay din ito, booming din ang wellness tourism at fitness culture sa UAE, with the wellness tourism market expected to more than double from USD po ito, no? 5.1 billion in 2022 to 12.5 billion USD by 2030. So what does it mean? Mas maraming tao ang willing gumastos para sa health, body, and overall well-being. So currently, upon studying the Dubai market, pinakasikat pa doon na drinks ay yung mga green, leafy, medyo mapapait pa. Kasi we've been studying the market for like over a year and chine-check namin yung mga beauty products. Hindi pa siya ganun super sasarap. So, naisip namin na talagang might as well, no? Let's bring Lux Slim in Dubai kasi ayun naman talaga ang sumikat dito sa Philippines when it comes to healthy drinks. At the same time ay masarap at hindi sobrang sakit sa tiyan. So, dito pumasok ang powerful opportunity ng Lux Slim Dubai with founder Ana Magkawas. Habang lumalaki ang wellness economy ng UAE na umabot na sa 34.1 billion USD at isa sa fastest, of course, talagang fastest growing in the world. So there's this clear demand. We can really say for brands na kayang mag-offer ng safe, effective, at aspirational beauty and slimming solutions. So for Filipino OFWs, as I've said to Ms. A a while ago, no, let's envision the brand wherein hindi lang tayo kailangang kikita doon. At the same time, yung matulungan din yung mga fellow Filipinos natin doon. Kasi as I've said, dito sa Philippines, sobrang dinating na madami na I may say na mayaman ng Lux Slim group, no, dito sa Philippines kasi nag-offer sila ng various products. And of course, knowing Miss A is the founder of Lux Slim, sobrang sipag po niya talaga na mag-marketing. So I can really say na hindi talaga po tayo papahiya sa Filipino OFWs kasi non-stop po mag-work ang founder. Diba?
Hi! Congrats, Mars! Ayan. So,
Ito kasi day one pa lang, andyan na siya.
Talaga.
Wala pang last day, andyan na siya. Alam niya.
yeah, kaya I'm so happy to witness the journey. Ayan. Yung question ko is, how ready is Lux in addressing the demand sa Dubai? In fairness sa market research ng partner mo, ha? Talagang binigyan kami ng datos.
At hindi
Oo,
fake
ganun
yun.
sila. Before sila pumasok sa isang bagay, kailangan sigurado sila. That's why I'm very grateful din na the fact na nakipag-partner sila with us, it means ganun sila katiwala. That really Lux Slim will go through talagang kumbaga global, di ba? Parang Lux Slim global na ba to? Ang gaano tayo prepare. Actually, as of since last week, we already starting with the preparation with the shipment. Kasi syempre it will take a month bago makarating doon, di ba? If the goal is mapababa yung presyo para mas ma-afford siya ng marami. So talagang kailangan talagang barko ang magpaparating doon. So we're working out already with the permits para mai-ship natin siya via mga container vans through sea. And yun, kinukompleto na lang natin yung papers. And for the Conjux Zero, we already ordered sa Mano for the Dubai, for the Dubai market lang. So it's gonna be a different, na siya, parang there will be a PO or purchase order for Dubai market and for Philippine market.
Okay. And ano ba, may i-customize ba kayong product to address like parang non-Filipinos na market? May ganoon ba?
Actually, we're planning to release an exclusive product na sa Dubai lang available.
Okay.
Yes. Lux Slim na sa Dubai lang. Share ko na.
Last pistache as well.
Abangan nyo. Yeah, yan. Nasplok mo na. Since pistachio is very, diba? It's very in demand or known ang Dubai for pistachio chocolate.
Healthy
Ganyan.
chocolate.
So, we are doing an R&D. So, let's see kung ano yung magiging final product namin. Pero definitely we will have.
Wow.
Healthy.
And
Chocolate with ginkgo biloba.
and ano na lang, last na lang kasi since like for sure right now people from Dubai are looking forward already to the grand launch. Will there be ambassadors, your
Yes.
celebrity ambassadors joining you? Kasi syempre nakakaingit naman din naman sa Europe. Parang meron bang idadalhin din papuntang Dubai?
Si Ana magkano?
Correct.
Actually, I messaged Zainab last night. Kaso lang,
Sino daw?
Sinab.
may conflict sa schedule. Meron siyang shoot December 6 dito. So, sayang. But let's see. Baka ma-surprise na lang kung sino, di ba?
May 1 month.
Meron pa naman tayo.
Oo nga.
May time pa tayo.
Okay. Thank you. Congrats.
For sure matutuwa yung mga kababayan natin who will join us because ang plan namin, of course, dinner first in a hotel. Hopefully, I think first consideration is Grand Hyatt Hotel. So there will be a dinner, business opportunity meeting. So right now, we're going to post on our social media pages for them to register to secure their slot. So they can register para naman aware din kami kung ilan pa yung pupunta kasi baka po magulat kami, wala na. Or at least alam namin na pagdating nila is comfortable po sila doon sa sa lugar kung saan tayo magkakonduct ng meet and greet business opportunity meeting. And then after that, the next day naman, we're going to have a yacht party. So doon naman na po magkakaroon na tayo ng contract signing with the distributors who will sign up with us. So talagang i-welcome natin sila ng bongga. And since it's our first time to be in Dubai, 'di ba? So gusto ko naman sobrang memorable din yung araw na yun.
Ito palang question, ma'am. Do we have a new products or innovation to be launched during your...
Sakto talaga yung mga tanong ni Ma'am. Bakit po parang nababasa kayo? So sakto because yes, as I mentioned din po kanina sa meeting namin, siningit ko lang siya. Since we have an upcoming product na lalabas under Lux Slim also and under Lux Skin. We have this flavor na matagal na rin hinihintay dito sa Philippines. Finally, lumabas na yung kanyang FDA permit, the CPR. So sabi ko, since we were in Dubai, why not isabay na natin yung launching doon, 'di ba? Para din, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Magkaroon din siya ng international deals and then the people in Dubai na makakasama natin is parang they will feel extra special because sila yung unang makakatikim
makaka-try, yeah.
nung product na yon. And that's actually the blueberry juice, the blueberry
Ooh.
detox juice of Lux
The
and
blueberry.
chia seeds. So it's the first time that we're going to have a drink na may chia seeds. Ito yung matagal na...
I love chia
Yes,
seeds.
sayang, hindi ka
Papapayat
matanda.
yun.
So,
Wow.
kayo mag-alala because for sure, masusundan yan. And pagbalik ko po actually from Dubai, December 7 flight, December 8, andito na ako sa Pilipinas noon. Magla-live na po ako sa TikTok for the TikTok live launch dito naman sa Pilipinas para matikman na ng mga Luxers natin here sa Philippines.
Okay, ma'am. So, for